Good morning, students. How are you all? Are you following classes, digital classes? Okay, students. Already in previous classes, I explained to you just basics. Is it right? And in this class, I am going to start your class. Now you are studying third class. Okay, now. Did you buy the books, textbooks, notebooks? Yes. So now I am going to start third class lesson. Third class science lesson. Is it right? Okay. So in this class we are going to discuss about sense organs. What is that? Sense organs. Okay. What is the name of the topic? First lesson is topic name is sense organs. Okay. So in this lesson, first of all, here we have new words. So this is one lesson. In this lesson, some new words are coming. So these new words you don't know. Some words you know, some words you don't know. Okay now. So first of all, we have discussed about the new words. Okay. What are the new words? If you have books, already I think you buy books, okay? So if you have books, just open your book and keep with you. And while you are watching this video, then you have to see the book also. Listen the lesson, and at the same way you have to see the book. Then you can understand easily. Okay now? Yes. So first of all, new words. There are new words you can see, new words. So what are the new words? Here we have first new word is sensation. What is that? Sensation. Is it right? This is one new word in the sense organs lesson. Okay now. So what is the sensation? See there in the textbook also given to you. The feeling that you get when your surrounding affect your body. So surrounding your body, something feeling you will receiving. Suppose top side fan is rotating. Then what type of feeling you are getting when fan is rotating over our head? Air is coming. So that air touch our skin. Okay, then you are getting something feeling. Cool is there, that air, or hot is there. In summer season, hot air is coming. Like that you are getting something feeling. That is called here sensation. Clear? Next one is sense organs. Sense organs. Is it clear? This is the second new word. Sense organs means what is there? See, body organs that receive sensation from our surroundings. Already we discussed sensation. Sensation means some feeling. Okay now. So this feeling is observed or taking. Okay, taking from organs, some organs. Suppose somebody is cooking biryani outside. So how you know? How you can say that one? Oh, somebody is cooking biryani, or somebody is cooking chicken, or somebody cooking something food item. We are saying generally. How we are saying? How it is possible means with the help of sense. How we get that sense? With the help of our nose. So this is our one of the sense organs. This is one of the sense organs. So with the help of nose, okay now, we can say, oh, somebody cooking biryani like that. Okay, that is, so they are called as sense organs. So what is happening is surrounding us. So that type of feelings, whatever feelings, we are getting, receiving. We are getting or receiving with the help of organs. They are called sense organs. Clear? Next. Saliva. What is that? Saliva. A water liquid present in our mouth. Water liquid present in our mouth. If you open your mouth, mouth is watering, getting water. Otherwise, something spicy or something delicious food is there. Then automatically our mouth is getting water. Our mouth is watering. Is it right? So that is called saliva. Okay, now we are saying that one spit. Okay, and another new word is cell. What is that? Cell. Cell means nowadays we are using mobile phone. That one also called cell, but not that one. Cell means our body. This is our body, no? You know? Yes, this body is made up of cells. Made up of cells. So what is the given smallest unit of our body? Smallest unit of our body, that is called cell. With the help of cell in our body, our body is making, and in the same way in our body some organs are there. These organs are also made by the cells only. Okay, yes. This is the smallest unit of our body. Next, sensitive. What is that? Sensitive. What is the meaning of sensitive? One who can readily feel sensation. So sensitive means one who can readily feel sensation. Means suppose if anybody pick with pencil, then how you get how is there for you? What type of feeling you can get? Pain feeling. That is called sensitive. Okay. Pain sensitive. That is pain sensitive. Next, hearing aid. What is that? Hearing aid. Hearing aid. Generally, sometimes we are seeing some members are wearing in their ears something instrument. That is called a hearing aid. So, what is the meaning? What they given to you? Instrument used by some people having hearing difficulty. Somebody have difficulty. They can't hear sound. They can't hear what we are talking. Is it right? So for them purpose, they are wearing this hearing aid. When they wear this hearing aid, they can listen. They can hear sounds clearly. Clear. So these are the new words in the sense organs lesson. Is it clear? What are the events? Sensation, sense organs, saliva, cell, sensitive, hearing aid. Are you seeing books? Yes. Next, we are going to discuss about sense organs. So, do you know how many sense organs are there in our body? Yes. Here we have totally 5 sense organs. How much sense organs are there? 5 sense organs. See book and listen carefully. Some questions given to you for you here. See what are they? How do we come to know whether the food is tasty or not? We are all eating food. Then we can say that immediately after chewing the food we can say, oh, so much tasty food. I am eating so much tasty food. Otherwise some spicy is there, oh, spicy is there. We are saying like that. How we can taste that one? How we can say that one? How we can say that with the help of a tongue. Is it right? Yes. Why do we like some smells and dislike others? Is it right or not? Some smells are pleasant or there. Some smells are unpleasant or there. That means we can smell some smells. Suppose perfumes, body sprays like that are there. Scent, rose flower, jasmine flowers like that are there. We can smell them. We can do like this. Is it right? Why we are doing like that? It is a pleasant smell. Is it right? But sometimes bad smells are coming. Can we take breathe like this? When the bad smell is coming like this, can we breathe like this? No, we can't. Then what we have to do? Then we can close our nose. Okay now? Yes. Next, what makes us see the different colors? Generally we are seeing so many colors surrounding us. Is it right? White, black, red, blue, green, like that. How it is possible? Suppose if you enter into the park, suppose if you go to the park, in the park different types of plants, flowering plants are there. So we can see all colors. So that is very pleasant is there for seeing. Okay, now. So how we can see with our eyes? Yes, very good. And how are we able to make out whether a sound is loud or not? Sometimes, suppose in our school, bell is ringing. First bell, second bell, like this, long bell is ringing. Okay, is it right or not? So then, if you stand beside the bell, those are ringing the bell. If you stand beside only, means how is there? Can you hear like this? Oh, nice is coming. Can you hear that one? No. Immediately what you have to do? You can close your ears. Is it right? Why you are doing like that? What is the reason? What is the reason means that is loud sound. That is loud sound. Suppose DJ sound is going on the road. Okay, na? So if you go to the very near to the DJ sound, DJ music means then you can close your ears. Not only you, everybody should close. Why? Because our ears can't bear that much of loud sound. Suppose music, cinema music, song is playing. Very nice song is playing. Then you can listen that one. You can hear that one. That is low sound and very soft is the sound. Okay. Next, what helps us to know that a surface is rough or smooth? See, if you touch blackboard, very so smooth is there. Is it right? If you touch here means very smooth is there. How we know that one? With the help of our skin. Or if you touch the surface of glass, mirror, so smooth is there. Or if you touch the wall, some rough is there. How we can say this smooth? This one is smooth. This one is rough. Is there? How we can say that one? How we can say that one? With the help of sense organs. So that is skin. Okay. So these are some questions. And lesson is there. Lesson given to you. See that our eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin are called sense organs. What are sense organs? Our eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and the skin are called sense organs. Sense organs. Is it clear? What are the sense organs? Our eyes, ears. What is this? Ears, nose, tongue, and skin are called sense organs. Totally, how many sense organs are there? 5 sense organs. How many are there? 5. Okay. Yes. They help us to understand our surroundings with the help of our some sensations like touch, sight, smell, etc. So what we are doing with the help of these sense organs, we can sense. Okay, we can sense like touch feeling. Okay, we can get sense like touch, sight, and smell, etc. Smell, etc. These are the sensations. Different types of senses. Okay. So these senses are receiving by these sense organs. Okay, now these different types of senses are receiving by these sense organs. Is it clear? Yes. The sense organs send signals to the brain which helps us to understand the sensation. Whatever its sensation, if it is touch or if it is sight or if it is smell, okay, if it is pain, whatever it sense. So this how we know that sense, how we know that one means with the help of these sense organs we are getting that one. We are receiving that message. So this message is sending to our brain. So our brain analyzes that one. After that is written back, send message written back to return back to the different sense organs. Then, oh, suppose if anybody pick with pencil, then how is their situation? Pain situation is there. So that, oh, somebody pick with pencil in this particular part. So you have something pain. Your brain is saying that, saying to you that. Then, oh, somebody pick here or here or here. Pain is coming. Immediately have to rub like this. Like that, your brain is giving message to you. Then you are doing that activity. Is it clear? Yes. Now we are going. These are the five sense organs. Understood everyone? Now we are going to discuss about one sense organ, that is, okay, what is that? Eyes, or eyes. First one, eyes. How many eyes are there in our body? Two eyes are there. Everybody know that. Okay. So eyes. See here, like this is that eyes. Okay, like that are there eyes. So what is the use of eyes in our body? We can see all the things. We can see all the things. Is it right? Yes. Now we have discussed about eyes. See everyone. Our eyes help us to see the colorful world around us. Around us, colorful world is there. We can see with the help of our eyes. Is it right or not? Yes. Our eyes help us to read a book. Now I am reading book, textbook. Letters are there, words are there, sentences are there. I am seeing on the book and I am reading sentences. How it is possible? With the help of our eyes. Suppose I am closing my eyes. Can I read now textbook? Is it possible to me? No, it's not possible. Just you have to try it once. Are you seeing letters? No. By looking at a thing, we can find out its color, its shape, if it is far or near, tall or short, etc. Suppose now you are seeing one thing, whatever it. Immediately, what type of how you are thinking about that thing. Suppose you are seeing mobile phone. Suppose example. So you are seeing shape first. So it is rectangle shape. So you are thinking like this. It is rectangle shape. It is in black color. Okay, black color. How much size is the shape? How is the shape? How is the size? What is the color? Everything you can find immediately. How it is possible? It is big size. Suppose some things are there big is the same. Suppose you are seeing elephant. You are seeing an elephant. Then what will you say that when you see the elephant? Oh, it is big size is the same. Why you are saying like that? It is big animal. Suppose you are seeing giraffe. Okay, then what you can say? Oh, that is very tall animal. Suppose you are seeing rat, small rat. Then it is small is it? You are saying like that. So when we see with the help of our eyes, you can see, you can say, you can observe with the help of our eyes, shape, size, color. Okay. Yes. Our eyes need sufficient light to see things clearly. Everybody has eyes. Everybody has eyes. But when will you see the things? Suppose one dark room is there. When you enter into the dark room, can you find your things? Suppose night time. How is the night time? Very dark is there. Can you see the things clearly? Is it possible? No. Why you are not seeing night time clearly things? Means there is no sufficient light. There is no sufficient light. No sufficient light. When there is no sufficient light, we cannot see the things clearly. Is it right? Suppose you have to close your eyes, okay, and you have to go to near Alma or whatever place. Go and try to bring something. Is it possible? No. Because when you close your eyes, that is dark is there. You can't see anything. That means you can't see anything. Is it right? Okay. Next. The ball and the ball-like structure present in the eye is called the eyeball. See, generally when you observe your eye in the mirror, round color ball is there, like you see there. Is it right? Like this, a round color ball is there. Okay. So this ball is called eyeball. What is that? Eyeball. What is that meaning? See, the ball like structure. The ball like structure present in the eye, in the eyes, present in the eye is called the eyeball. Eyeball. The ball-like structure present in the eye is called eyeball. Okay. Here we have eyeball. Okay. Our eyelashes protect our eyes from dust and other particles. Here we have eyelashes. We are moving like this. So these are called eyelashes. These eyelashes protect our eyes from dust and other particles. Some people do not have a good eyesight. They need spectacles or contact lenses to see things clearly. See, I wear now spectacles. Is it right? Why I am wearing daily like this spectacles? If I remove my specs, I can't see long letters, long things clearly. I have sight, so that's why I am wearing this spectacles. Some members using lenses. Lenses means we will put them inside our eyes. Okay. So with the help of these things, we can see things. Okay. And this is about eyes and taking care of eyes. Taking care of eyes. Everybody has eyes, and then we have to take care of them. We have to take care them. That is why this one, taking care, taking care of eyes. Taking care of eyes. How we have to take care of our eyes? See first one. Wash your eyes. Wash your eyes. With cold water. With cold and clean water. With cold and clean water. Okay, next. Never touch your eyes with dirty hands. While you are playing, dirty is there. Your hands will become dirty. Is it right? Then you don't touch your eyes with the dirty hands. Next. Always keep a distance of at least 6 to 8 feet from the television screen while watching TV or watching it. So at home everybody has television, is it right? So we are watching TV. So while we are watching TV, then how much distance we have to follow? Nearly 6 to 8 feet. 6 to 8 feet. This much of length we have to maintain. Okay? That is good for our eyes. And do not rub our eyes or your eyes, if a particle gets into your eyes, instead rush to wash it as quickly as possible. Suppose while you are playing or while you are doing something work, whatever it, then or while you are driving on bike, then what will happen? Some dust particles, other particles falling in our eyes. Then what we have to do? Someone was doing just like rubbing. So anybody don't rub. If anybody fall something dust particles like that, don't rub our eyes. Don't rub our eyes. Okay? Don't rub our eyes if a particle gets into your eyes. Then what we have to do? If anybody falling in our eyes, then what you have to do? How you have to clean? See, rush to wash it as quickly as possible. Just rush like this water and you have to wash your eyes. Then what will happen? If any dust particles or other things, whatever falling in our eyes, then they will go out. It will clean. They will wash away. Is it clear? Yes. But don't rub like this. Then what will happen? Your eyes will become reddish color and some burning type is there. Burning situations raising in our eyes, like, okay? Something problems are raising. Next. Take a diet which includes food items like green leafy vegetables, carrot and fish for good eyesight. So we have to take food items. What type of food items we have to eat for good eyesight purpose? See, what are the green leafy vegetables? Green leafy vegetables, okay? Carrot and fish. If we eat these food items, so these food items, with the help of these food items, we are getting good eyesight. Is it right? If we have any problem, eyesight problem, if we eat such type of things, means we can see things clearly. Is it clear? So these are the taking care of our eyes. Are you understanding? So listen this video. Listen video. If you have doubts, open your textbook and read 2 or 3 times. Okay? And if you have doubts, ask me. I think any doubts not coming to you. Everything clear is there. Okay? After listening this class, okay? If you have any doubt, please put your video, put pause. Video is pausing, okay? Then you have to put pass mode. Then any writing work, if you want to write any work, board work, means then you have to write in the notebook, okay? Then again you have to listen class. After completing this class, after listening this class, you have to complete your work. So this is your homework, okay? Here you have practice zone 1. Is there practice zone 1? Yes. So you have to write the answers. Just fill in the blanks. 1, 2, 3, 4 are there and one question is there. Okay? You have to write it. What is that? Practice zone 1 homework. This is the homework. What is that homework? Practice zone 1. Practice zone 1. After listening this topic, complete the practice zone 1 blanks and one question is there. What is that question? Second question is there given to you. Define eyeballs. What is the color of your eyeballs? You have eyeballs, no? What is the color? See in the mirror and you have to write the color. Black, cat eyes, like that are there. Blue. How is there? Right here. Is it clear? Thank you all of you.